Hi, my name is Sammy Mason. I am a marketing major here at USF and I'll be graduating this December. And this is the Tableau project for marketing management problems. So, a little bit about this project. We took some data that came from beeradvocate.com, and that data is over 75,000 reviews and ratings for different types of beer styles from Cigar City Brewing. So we took that data and I took that data and put it in the Tableau software. And with this software, you can, you know, compare and contrast different data that you're given. So here in this dashboard that you're looking at, we have three different sheets. And in this first sheet to the left, which is a bar graph, we are showing the average beer rating for different types of beer, the different styles of beer. So as you can see, if I click this, we have an American Light Lager and the average rating was 4.29. So we can unclick that. And so next we have the scatter plot. And in this scatter plot, it shows those specific types of beer and their ABV percentage, and it goes against their average rating. So here again, if we click, we have the Winter Warmer, which is a higher percentage beer, it's a 9.72, and its average rating is a 3.9512. So it's very cool. And then lastly in this, we have a tree map. And in this tree map, it shows us some reviewers, and it shows us it's been specified to show us that how many reviews these reviewers have made, and it's specified to only show reviewers that have made over 200 reviews. So here we have Beer Nads, and he's made 330 reviews. So what's cool about Tableau and very useful for companies is that it is, a great way to compare and see relationships between the data. So here in this interactive dashboard, I can interact with it and it gives us more specific data. So for example, we can click this right here and use it as a filter, which means if I want to click the American Barley Wine, I will see it automatically brings all the sheets in this interactive dashboard. So it'll show me here in the scatter plot, it singles out the American Barley Wine, and it shows me the average ABV and the average rating, and then we had no one review this beer. So again, if we click this, same thing. You can click around and it's just a great way to see these relationships. Now you can also do the same thing with these. So we can use this as a filter and it'll give us the same kind of data. So it just shows us the relationships between these specific data, and it's a great way for businesses to single out their data, because when you have a lot of data, it can be really hard to look through and sort through and find the relationships of these kind of things. It can help you understand like which beer is performing the best among the customers and which beer they're rating the best, and that's why Tableau is an amazing tool for businesses to use. So yeah, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. Thank you very much.